What's up, guys, and welcome back to another upload. I'm smiling today because it's once again time for another mod on the F-150. I've been waiting quite a while for this modification, and today is the day. However, we don't have very nice weather, so for the mandatory weather report, as we always do on this channel, look at this here. Yeah, so this better be hail, because if this is snow, I'm freaking out. It's October 21st, and yeah, it's a chilly day, but no, can't be having snow already. But never mind all that, we're gonna keep our spirits up here. And what is the actual modification? Well, some of you guys have guessed it already. It is indeed amp running boards. Big thanks to Amp Research for sending me these. Like I said, I've been wanting these for a very long time. If you've been watching the modification series on the truck here, you guys remember that I removed the stock running boards that were on the truck because I love the look of it right now. I mean, it's leveled. It's a 3.5-inch leveling kit, and I just think it looks so good without running board. However, we do need them for certain members of the family. My wife and Sydney have been bugging me about this for so long because they have such troubles getting in the truck. My wife's like 5'0" and Sydney's like 3'0". So they're climbing. I can just jump in there easily. So the amp boards are the perfect solution as they hide underneath the truck. If you're not familiar with them, you will see them here soon enough. But we're in a bit of a hurry here. We got to go to Moon Township Ford, meet up with Pittsburgh Views, and get these installed. Oh yeah, almost forgot. We got a new diff cover as well. I'm confused. Is it snow or not? And here we are. I'm surprised I don't see any Sunday shoppers when there's no car salesman around. Where's Brian? Brian! I cannot believe he's late. Come on, man. Well, I gotta eat my breakfast anyhow. There he is. He just pulled up in his Isuzu. That's a dope car, man. Yo.
It's so fresh and so clean.
You're late.
You know, it's Sunday.
You're not late.
Sunday.
I was early. We're still talking shit about you, though. All right, so it's time to get to work. Worth noting as well is that these power steps are indeed built in America. Man, I'm excited about this. This is going to be awesome. The truck is still going to have the same look, and that's the best part. What is it now, Brian? I forget. What is it? I mean, it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for a year. He has officially reached that, so his channel is up for review, whatever YouTube calls it nowadays, for monetization. Very exciting. Very exciting.
Really exciting.
Yeah.
Big thanks to Mike here for helping me out.
Oh, big thanks to you for helping me out. I forgot what I was going to say, Brian.
You're going to say this is experience.
Right. So it goes with that. So yeah, but seriously, big thanks to Brian, always, you know, helping me out and stuff. And I mean, we help out each other, you know, and his... bloopers. Bloopers. I catch myself sometimes going on to this long rant, and I don't want to do that. No, but seriously, big thanks to Brian for helping me out with something like this. This would probably take me trial and error time 6 months to do something like this. And skill level 4, it says here on the instructions. So very grateful for Brian helping me out here. All right, so both motors are on to the linkage assembly. So this whole new assembly attaches to the old studs here from the stock running board. So this part of the installation is actually not all that difficult. It's when you gotta pull all the wires and stuff to the battery that it gets a little more complicated. So while we have the truck up in the air, had a possibility to look underneath, and yeah, I guess I didn't wash it very good after my mudding session. Look at all the mud that's still stuck up underneath here. Dang. I mean, it's pretty clean, you know, overall underneath the truck, but it's all these little spots here. You see there's mud right there and over here. So yeah, so now starts the process of powering up the running boards. All right, so puddle lights on one side of the truck here are now installed by the master installer himself. Pittsburgh Views. Yes, I could have installed the puddle lights, but Brian's doing everything and it goes so much quicker. Don't worry, I'm talking shit on myself. Trust me. All right, so maybe we should add here real quick that we were gonna do the diff cover today as well. And you might be able to see that I actually have a minor leak in the diff, and that's a warranty job that will be done by Brian, but it has to be done during work hours because he doesn't have access to all the fluids and stuff that needs to be refilled when we put the new cover on, because you'll get that from parts, and parts are not here on a Sunday, obviously. So that will be for next time. So today we're just doing the step bars. Brian, breaking my truck. Damn, Brian. I know. Oh, that's sick. All right, check it out. And they're quick too. At least when you open the door, and that's what matters. All right, so Brian got it done. We have the Amp Research power deploying running boards on the truck, and this is sweet.
Yeah, looks
You the man, Brian. You the man.
No problem.
My wife's gonna be so happy, especially Sydney.
I was gonna say,
You
Sydney's
should see it.
probably
She's like climbing up the truck. It's like climbing up a mountain for that poor little girl. And that's what I love, the clean look. That's what I wanted. That's why I took the running boards off to begin with.
Black, so
Yeah, it's nice. It just, yeah, from like over here, you can hardly even tell, even though we know that we just put them on there. All right, big thanks to Brian, man. You guys need to definitely go check him out. He needs like all the support he can get. He's working hard, and give him a follow, support him at Pittsburgh Views. He's looking to buy a new car here pretty soon as well. He's debating on what it's gonna be, but he's got plans.
Give me some help picking out a car.
Yeah, man.
Performance car, rear-wheel drive, manual transmission, preferably.
Manual transmission, okay.
Yeah, so something in that range, around 40 grand, 40 to 50 grand. You guys would like to see me do some mods on. That's what I'm looking to get.
Yeah, Mustang's always in the picture, but you're looking at maybe be a little more diversified.
A little more high-end, possibly.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see. You guys jump on over to Brian's channel and give him some advice. But again, I'm super happy. I can't wait to go home and show my family some power deploying running boards. They're gonna be happy. Hey, check this out. You don't know what we've done yet, huh? Do you? Does the truck look a little different or no?
No.
Nothing?
Clean.
It's clean? Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Have you had little issues getting in the truck? Since we took the running boards off and got it a little higher, put the big wheels on and stuff?
Oh, I see what you did.
Open the door. Isn't that cool? Wait, no. Open the door, and now you can climb into the truck a lot easier.
Oh, I like getting looked at.
See that? Isn't that so much easier?
Goodbye. I'm going to.
Where are you going?
I'm going back to Disney.
Okay. Whoa, what are you doing? I'm gonna lock you in the truck. No, stop. Stop. You weirdo.
What did it sound like?
Like a horn? Alright, so now it's Mom's turn. She's the one who kind of forced me to do this.
Want me to help you?
Just open. Okay, let Sydney open it then, I guess.
Oh, man.
Isn't that cool? That's dope.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
Wait, oh, you want me to show you a tip?
Stop doing that. I mean, it honks all over the neighborhood.
It's annoying, yeah. That's sweet, babe.
Yeah, but aren't they cool? Like when you close the door, they go up. It looks like you don't have running boards, and that's the look I like.
Do they light up?
Yeah, so you see how they light up? It's not really dark yet.
Oh,
but,
yeah.
You know, so at night you'll see the LED lights.
Sweet.
All right, so she approves.
Yeah.
Easier to get in and out of the truck now, huh? Oh, you little peanut. All right, so there we have it. I'm a happy camper. The family is a happy camper. I love the new modification for the truck. Like I probably mentioned 393 times in this video already. I know they're just running boards, but I mean, they're perfect in my opinion. They're stylish and functional. My truck looks the same like it did prior to putting these running boards on. So yeah, big thanks to Amp Research. Definitely check them out on Instagram and Facebook to see what they have to offer for your truck. There's many more mods coming for the F-150 here very, very soon. I'm making a decision, of course, on the supercharger, which one to go with. Got a new lift kit coming pretty soon here as well. Well, within the coming month here. So a lot of fun stuff up ahead this winter in the F-150. Now, I get a lot of questions regarding all the mods that I've done. You know, not everyone has seen the full mod series of the truck. But if you're interested, the full mod list is in the description of this video, and also links for anyone that is possibly interested in buying the same stuff for their truck. But with that being said, this video is over. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Brian, breaking my truck. Damn, Brian. I know.